This is the 30th anniversary of the Road Apple Rally bicycle race, which is, by definition, the oldest mountain bike race in the world, continuously run. Started in 1981.
Oh yes!
Staged it out of a place called Brownie Camp down on the La Plata Highway, in the La Plata River, and then we came up on the west side of the glade, dropped down, and actually circled around Farmington Lake and came back. In that first Road Apple ride, I think there was about 25, because we gave out 25 T-shirts. When we started out, we put it on together with the Four Corners Trail Ride Association, which was horses, and the bikes and the horses would go off at the same time, and the trails kind of intermingled and mixed at the time, and that's where the term Road Apple Rally came from, because you had to ride through, road apples. We didn't have the city of Farmington behind us and the Visitors Bureau like we do now. We couldn't do it without that, but it was just volunteer people.
It's a sharp right as you come through the fence. Be careful. Sharp right, then to the left.
Thank you.
It's riding a bike. I mean, anybody can ride a bike, can mountain bike. You just got to get off the saddle and give with your legs and keep your balance. As a cardiologist and a doctor, you're always encouraging people to exercise, and nobody exercises unless they enjoy what they do. You've got to have fun or you're not going to do it.
Yeehaw!
I think the key to the longevity of the Road Apple Rally mountain bike race and why it's the oldest mountain bike race probably on the planet, but certainly in the country, is the fact that there's been no major sponsors. Like there was lots of races and series, and Chevy truck or Levi or somebody would put them on. Then of course their marketing department would say, no, we don't want to do that. But we've always done it just with the community, with the help of the city and with the volunteers that would come. And I had a practice of cardiology here for a long time, and my office staff would do the timing, and I'd mark the trail, and we would do the whole thing with lots of, and you just can't do it without the community, and the community is the key. The bike technology is amazing. Bikes that, in fact, that when the original Road Apple was put on, nobody made a mountain bike. You couldn't go out and buy one. We all rode Swin Cruisers with 5-speed coupled on them and stuff like that. And then Specialized came out in a year or two with what was called the Stump Jumper. And that was $900 for technology that you can now pay $100 for at Walmart. It's just amazing, the technology in mountain biking. I mean, there was no suspension in those days.
And in first place, from Durango, Colorado, 1:45:54, Travis Brown.
I've been coming down here to the Road Apple. I think the first time I came down here was in '93. I'm happy to be back down and doing the Road Apple again. It's a great race. It's a part of mountain bike history now. 30 years of a race, every year. That's a big deal.
And appreciate everything you did to start it up.
Thank you.